What in tarnation are you doing?
Putting up my vent holes.
Got the transmission cover in, getting ready to bolt in the shifter.
Woohoo!
I think that display of excitement was inappropriate. That's the trouble with a woman in the shop. She'll talk your dad blamed ear off. Is the shifter okay?
Yep.
You could be a race car driver. Got a few new projects. Got an air cylinder off a dump truck I might try to make a vise out of, just like 63 impalers. And then a feller gave me these the other day. They're dummy spotlights, but I was thinking, put a red lens in them, might make a pretty cool taillight assembly for this old girl. We'll see. Good grief, I got a messy workbench. And I got one cool thrush side pipe. I think that's from the late 60s. But I only got one. I guess I'll save it for when I get a 6-cylinder. Or maybe we'll put it over there on the Oldsmobile. Where do you think you're going?
I am going to the house to get cleaned up to make dinner.
You're quitting awful early.